A jet plane flies at 550 miles an hour. What is its speed in meters per second? We were given 550 miles an hour, and we want to convert to meters per second. We know that 1 mile is equivalent to 1,609 meters. We also know that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So to go from miles an hour to meters per second, we need to first convert our miles to meters by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1,609 meters per 1 mile. Then we can convert from hours to seconds by multiplying through our conversion factor of 1 hour is equivalent to 3,600 seconds. Multiplying through this, we see that the miles cancel and leave us with meters, and the hours cancel and leave us with seconds. Solving this, we get that 550 miles an hour is equivalent to 245.82 meters per second. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.